With ChatGPT's state-of-the-art technology and impressive capabilities, it's no wonder why people can't stop talking about it. ChatGPT has become such a sought-after AI gem that companies are eagerly vying for the chance to incorporate it into their services. Microsoft has recently joined the ranks, making a significant investment in OpenAI to secure direct access to the brilliance of ChatGPT. But what does this collaboration mean? It signifies an exciting partnership that promises to take AI to new heights, such as enhancing customer support systems and even developing innovative tools for developers. Speaking of OpenAI and their dedication to keeping ChatGPT on the cutting edge, they recently dropped the mic with the mind-blowing GPT-4 updates. It's like ChatGPT on steroids. And guess what? You can be part of the action too. ChatGPT Plus and accessibility. If you're a ChatGPT Plus user, you get front row seats to all the AI awesomeness. Just a small monthly fee and you're in the AI VIP club. But hey, they're also throwing in some freebies for certain apps, like Bing Chat. Now that's what I call spreading the AI love. GPT-5, the new frontier. But wait, the story doesn't end with GPT-4. We've had GPT-4 and now we have GPT-5, which is about to take language generation to extraordinary new heights. Impact of GPT-4. To start with, the impact of GPT-4 in language processing has been truly remarkable, from its support for multimodal input to major advancements in content accuracy. GPT-5's promise. Building upon the successes of its predecessors, GPT-5 is here to redefine the boundaries of what AI can do. From enhanced language understanding to potential integration with the live internet, the future of ChatGPT is electrifying. Hallucination issue. Let's talk about the pesky issue of hallucinations, a concern that has left many users hesitant about AI models. But fear not, OpenAI has made substantial progress, and GPT-5 aims to take this to a whole new level. Cost and inference time. GPT's training on a massive 1 trillion parameters has caused quite a dent in the budget. But OpenAI aims to make GPT-5 more affordable and efficient, inspired by other models and continuous innovation. Multimodal wonders and efficiency. GPT-5 is not just your average text and image aficionado. It's ready to embrace the world of multimodal wonders, capable of handling text, audio, images, videos, and even more. The possibilities are endless, creating an embedding space that blurs the line between human and machine comprehension. OpenAI also understands that time is money, and they're determined to supercharge GPT-5's performance, ensuring speedy responses that would put even the Flash to shame. No more waiting around. GPT-5 is ready to break the land speed record of AI responses, the roadmap, and the future. While the roadmap for GPT-5 is still under wraps, there's talk of an intermediate version, possibly debuting around September or October. It's like those incremental upgrades that keep surprising and delighting us. But here's the twist. Some intriguing rumors are circulating that GPT-5 will be amazingly impressive, making us humans question whether ChatGPT has reached the realm of artificial general intelligence, AGI. A new dawn for AI. OpenAI is on a mission to prove that AI can be both smart and funny. According to reports, GPT-5 is set to complete its training by December 2023. That means we might see the ChatGPT upgrade hitting the scene pretty soon. Can you believe how quickly AI technology is evolving? GPT-5 is on a mission to turn the dream into a reality, bringing us one step closer to a world where human-like AI companions are an integral part of our daily lives. It's an incredibly exciting time in AI technology, and ChatGPT is right at the forefront, pushing the boundaries and challenging our perceptions of what AI can achieve. So how do you feel about these remarkable developments? Are you as intrigued as I am to see how ChatGPT will continue to shape the future of AI? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this content valuable, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next one. And don't forget, the future of AI is here, and it's being defined by groundbreaking innovations like GPT-5. Get ready to be amazed.